So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to send money to people on KOHO Financial. So once the app's opened up, go to the home screen here, so press on the home tab, and right in the middle it says add money and send. You guessed it, press send. So once you're here, it says send money, send within Canada or send internationally. So if you want to send this within Canada, it's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and select that. If you want to do it abroad, you can select that option as well. But for this demonstration, I will just choose send within Canada. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and search up a name or an email, or as well as send to a contact as well. So if you have a certain email, you can go to the top here and just do email@email.com. Go ahead and select them and then go through the process that way in regards to sending money through the KOHO Financial application. If I wanted to go back here, and once again, I'll go to send and then send internationally. It works a little bit different here. You can go ahead and upgrade here and send the money internationally. It'll also show you the exchange rate, and you can go from there in this example. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to send money on KOHO Financial to people. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.